That's great. Keep going. Very good.
अगर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं क्या स्पोर्ट खेल रहा हूँ, मैं खेल रहा हूँ पिकल बॉल, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस स्पोर्ट इन अमेरिका। इंडिया में फेमस होने के कगार पे है। इनफैक्ट अ टूर्नामेंट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इंडियन मास्टर्स के नाम से मुंबई में, एंड वी हैव पीपल फ्रॉम छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, फ्रॉम कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, एवरीबडी इज प्लेइंग। अंधेरी रिक्रिएशनल क्लब, यहाँ पर एक टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है, जैसे कि आप देखेंगे आगे। दिस इज नॉट द कोर्ट एग्जैक्टली। हेलो गाइस, व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट। मैं ताऊ रिव्यू फिर आ गया हूँ एक नया स्टोरी, एक नया इवेंट और नया एक्सपीरियंस लेकर। आज हम बात करेंगे पिकल बॉल की। पिकल बॉल, व्हाट इज दैट स्पोर्ट, लेट्स फाइंड आउट। यहाँ पर खेलेंगे, फिर उसके बाद ओरिजिनल कोर्ट में आके खेलेंगे। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल द स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट। आई एम गोइंग टू गेट यू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज। सर रुपेंद्र सिंह चौहान रायपुर से हैं, त्रिवेणी सोनकर प्लेयर हैं, और ये सर भी प्लेयर हैं वेटरन्स पिकल बॉल में। और बताइए सर, ये स्पोर्ट क्या है और ये क्या है जिससे मैं खेल रहा था?
It's called paddle.
हाँ,
Which is made plywood.
अच्छा,
As well as graphite layers and carbon layers.
अच्छा।
For advanced players, it is made by graphite layers, carbon layers, sometimes glass layers also.
एडवांस। अच्छा,
Yeah.
मेरा गेम कैसा लगा आपको?
You are playing fantastic. You know, this is very easy to learn. Difficult to get mastery.
लाइट है, इनका पैडल बोलते हैं इसको।
Yeah.
और ये बॉल
And
है,
this is the ball.
दिस इज द बॉल, पिकल बॉल बोलते हैं इसको।
Yeah.
पिकल बॉल। और सर ये बताइए
Which
किससे
is
बना है?
made by plastic and fiber.
प्लास्टिक बॉल। और जब ये साउंड, जब ये टच करता है इसको, तो बहुत ही प्यारा साउंड आता है।
Yeah,
जैसे जब लेदर बॉल बैट को मिडल हिट करता है,
Right,
वैसा साउंड
right,
आता है।
right.
और जैसे टेनिस बॉल रैकेट को हिट करता है,
Right.
बैडमिंटन को ऑफकोर्स आवाज़ नहीं आती,
It
बट
is
दिस इज अ
actually-
ब्यूटीफुल साउंड।
it is
कैसा था आपका एक्सपीरियंस? पर हम लोग ग्रास पे खेल रहे थे, बट ये एक्चुअल स्पोर्ट खेला जाता है कोर्ट पे।
और बैडमिंटन के आउटडोर कोर्ट जो हार्ड कोर्ट होते हैं, या टेनिस के आउटडोर कोर्ट हार्ड कोर्ट जो होते हैं, वो यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं। वन टेनिस कोर्ट वी कैन मेक 4 पिकल बॉल कोर्ट्स।
अच्छा, ये पैडल पकड़ने का तरीका ये है कि इसको पूरी ग्रिप है, ये उंगली, ये कई प्लेयर ऐसे रखते हैं, ये गलत तरीका है। अगर पैडल आप पकड़ोगे तो सही तरीका पैडल पकड़ने का ये है
कि नहीं रहना है।
ऐसे झुक के नहीं रहना है। इसमें क्या, थोड़ी कमर सीधी और थोड़ा सा ये बैंड, इतना बैंड और कमर। तो बैडमिंटन का प्लेयर क्या है कि ये कैंची मारता है, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग। इसमें क्या, आप जाने का तरीका यही है कि ये जाओ आराम से। मेरा नाम अर्जुन शेखावत है, ये मैं एथलेटिक्स का प्लेयर हूँ। मुझे 3 या 4 साल से मैं एथलेटिक्स में पोल वॉल्ट का प्लेयर हूँ।
अच्छा, पोल वॉल्ट, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग। सर आप कहाँ से सर?
मैं राजस्थान के सीकर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हूँ, CRPF में जॉब करता हूँ।
अरे वाह वाह वाह। I have Mr. Ashok Monani, the president of Indian Pickleball Association and a champion player himself. What is pickleball all about? Like, it's an American sport growing very fast in India. But India,
This was started in 1965 in Canada. So by an American who just wanted to play in the backyard. So the name, I'll tell you how the name derived.
Is it from the achar?
His pet name was Pickle.
Oh.
So he called it pickleball. So he would tell the pet to get the ball, and that's how it became pickleball. So it's a 3-inch ball, very light ball with 20 to 40 different holes. So there are different type of balls for different type of turfs. For indoor we have different ball, for outdoor we have a different ball. And the paddle is a little bigger than a table tennis bat. It's a hybrid between table tennis and badminton. The court is, almost very much the same size of a badminton court. It's a very fast sport. It looks very easy to adapt to. Basic rules are very simple, but you have to have a very active mind on to play this sport at a professional level.
who can play this sport? Who can play? Anybody, like
Anybody,
a poor man can
of
come
course,
afford
of
this sport.
course, because a paddle hardly costs 500 rupees. Good paddles will cost about 2,000, 3,000, maybe 5,000. You know, it all depends. You know. You can afford. Okay, we are promoting this in schools, colleges, institutions. Okay, and not bring this backyard sport to the front yard is our mission. So we have about 8 to 9,000 players playing in India itself. I mean, there's going to be a paradigm shift very soon. You will see that pickleball will be the most envied sport.
I've covered a lot of events, and you see a lot of fit players, but here people of different shapes and sizes can adjust into the conditions of pickleball, and they can get better and play the sport at a different
physical
level.
fitness is something different. You don't have to be lean to play the sport, okay? You could be a little off, but having said that, it's important to be fit. Your feet have to be very good, okay? You have to have a good movement with the shoulder. It's not to be played by the wrist. So all in all, fitness level has to be good in any sport, for a matter of fact.
This
So
is
this
the
is an
first
Indian
Indian
Masters
Masters.
tournament where we have got players, 320 players coming from 17 different states. So it's been hosted by our organization. We are Indian Pickleball Association. We are also Pickleball Association of Maharashtra.
He's been a Spanish Open champion.
Yeah,
Right,
so
when did
yeah,
he play that?
in 2018 September, I went to Madrid, and that's where I played a 60+ tournament and got a silver for the men's double and bronze for the mixed doubles.
Lovely. See a 30+ finals going on between the ladies. It's going to be interesting. We are going to talk to the winners. जो भी जीतेगा हम बात करेंगे उनसे. So we have someone, the winner of 30+ final. How was the tournament, you guys? You people dominated it.
It was very good. The court is very nice, so we had good grip, and the dink which we played, it was going really well.
And you know what? Shilpa and Purnima have come all the way from Bangalore to play this tournament.
I'm very much excited and very happy. I don't know what to talk.
You know what? This is your first sport.
No,
Pickle.
before we were playing volleyball.
And congratulations for winning. And we have Neil Thakur, Dr. Neil Thakur. He just finished his game and won. And 40+ category, you had fun.
Of course, basically at our stage, it's more of fun and basically encouragement for the younger guys, and you know, make it as a career in future. So
Are you trying to make a career out of pickleball? 40+?
not right now.
We have Dennis. She's playing the pickleball tournament in Mumbai, and she's from the USA. Charlotte, North Carolina. Pickleball is one of the biggest sport in the US, right? And how do you
The
see
biggest
it?
growing. It's the fastest growing. It may not be the biggest yet, but it's
Yeah,
growing.
I mean one of the. That's why I said one of the biggest sport. Playing a sport, pickleball tournament in Mumbai. How do you see that? What has been your experience so far, Dennis?
I was so surprised. So I was playing at home, and then I visited my mom in Kingsport, Tennessee, actually for the summer, and it was so fun. We were playing every day, like twice a day sometimes. So when we moved to Mumbai, I wondered like, how can I find pickleball? But it's here, and it's everywhere, and people are so excited about it. It's growing, and so I wonder if it can compete with the religion of cricket.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
you're challenging cricket, huh?
Yeah, so it's a nice combination of lawn tennis and table tennis, which are already both pretty popular in India. And I see the young kids playing, the high school kids are playing, even the moms are playing, everybody's playing.
And you were lucky to find pickleball over here.
I was so lucky, but you know, the magic of Facebook.
State bodies or national bodies pickleball association के मिलते हैं. We have Rajat Kankar from Karnataka state body of pickleball. What exactly are you doing to develop this sport?
At grassroots level, we are taking the sport in all schools and colleges. We are having a demonstration. We are having apartment structure. We are going to corporates. We are meeting all the youngsters in this fashion now, and we are soon going to approach school Sports Federation of India also.
ये प्रयत्न है ना, तो उसके हम लोग मतलब ये गली गली में इसको लेके जावे. लेट इट बी नोन एवरीवेयर दैट दिस स्पोर्ट इज द स्पोर्ट टू प्ले.
इंडिया के वन ऑफ द क्लीनेस्ट सिटीज़ के हो रेजिडेंट और पिकल बॉल स्टेट एसोसिएशन मध्य प्रदेश के प्रेसिडेंट एंड सेक्रेटरी बलवंत सालवनकर एंड मिस्टर
धर्मेश शिशला,
क्लीनेस्ट सिटी इन इंडिया 5 टाइम्स
लगातार 5 बार से लगातार
5 बार. तो पिकल बॉल को आप लोग कैसे हिट कराएंगे ये बताइए.
नहीं, हमारे यहाँ से इंदौर में सभी खेलों को महत्व मिलता है और पिकल बॉल को भी हमने इसलिए अपनाया है कि ये बैडमिंटन, टेनिस और टेबल टेनिस का मिस गेम है.
तो हमारा नहीं है कि सब जूनियर्स बच्चे इस खेल में जुड़े जो एक लंबे समय तक पिकल बॉल में रहे. नंबर 1 प्लेयर जो है पिकल बॉल का सीनियर्स में वो हमारे पास है.
तमिलनाडु इज अ स्टेट विच इज डोमिनेटेड बाय टेनिस, बैडमिंटन and squash of course we know Joshna, Deepika Pallikal, the superstars of squash. Are we going to see future squash stars in pickleball or tennis stars in pickleball? Yeah. We have Rohan Bopanna as well. Mohit. So we have Mohit from Tamil Nadu State Association. Are you stealing players from tennis, badminton and squash?
So definitely yes, we're going to have tennis, pickleball, tennis, squash and badminton courts converted into pickleball very soon.
That is quite ambitious of you. Is it like referees are turning into players?
Yes.
कितना अच्छा स्पोर्ट है, इतना फन स्पोर्ट है पिकल बॉल.
Yes. क्या होता है, we create a referee panel and referee board for pickle ball, and first year they do officiating. After they get to know this pickle ball sport and that passion comes up, they convert themselves from referees to the players.
So I hope you enjoyed the story from Indian Masters of Pickleball Tournament. तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट को. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे वीडियोस मैं लाता रहूँगा आपके लिए, यहाँ से और कहीं और से, और बहुत सारे अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंसेस, बहुत सारे अलग अलग टूर्नामेंट. फिलहाल के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. बेला चाओ.